See now, the next question in 10th English medium students, maths part 1, practice set 2.6. The second example, sum of squares of two consecutive natural even numbers is 244. Find the numbers. See now here. See condition carefully. Sum of squares. See, this is very important concept. Sum of squares, meaning that we should do first square and then do sum. Sum of square. See now, difference between sum of squares and square of sum. See first difference in these two concepts, sum of squares and square of sum. Suppose there are two numbers a and b. There are two numbers a and b. If I write this way, a plus b bracket square, it is square of sum. What is this? This is square of sum, and if I write this way, a square plus b square, it is sum of square. See here, you should not be confused. See, a plus b bracket square means it is square of sum. Means first we should do sum and then do square. It is square of sum. And here, sum of squares means we should do individually square of two numbers separately and then do sum. See a difference between this. Now here what is that? Sum of squares. It is this way. Sum of square means first do separately square and then there is sum. Okay, and here first do sum and then do square. Okay, see now here. Now what is here? Sum of square. Whose sum now? They have given two consecutive natural even number. See which number? See carefully. Consecutive. See each and every word carefully. Two consecutive natural even numbers. Now see meaning of this. Consecutive numbers. Consecutive numbers means that both numbers are one after another. There is no any other type of number between them. See here. Suppose here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These numbers are consecutive natural numbers. See, these numbers are consecutive natural numbers. Okay, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These numbers are consecutive natural odd numbers. See, this is odd numbers. Now, there is number between 3 and 5. There is number between 5 and 7. There is number between 7 and 9. Then also, these numbers are consecutive numbers. Because why? It is mentioned that these are consecutive natural odd numbers. Therefore, odd number. Therefore, it is a special type. It is odd number. Therefore, these are consecutive numbers. These are consecutive natural numbers. It is natural numbers, means there is no any natural number between them. Therefore, it is consecutive natural numbers. These are consecutive odd numbers, odd natural. Then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are consecutive natural even numbers. These are even numbers. See now here also there are numbers between 6 and 8, 8 and 10. Then also these are consecutive numbers. Because why? It is specially mentioned that consecutive even natural numbers. They are even numbers. Therefore, they are all even numbers. Therefore, no even number between them. No any even number between 6 and 8, 8 and 10, 4 and 6. Therefore, these are consecutive even natural numbers. These are consecutive odd natural numbers, and these are only natural numbers. This way, okay? Means if there is no any that type which type is mentioned, that type of number is not between them. They are called as consecutive. Okay? If they mention only natural consecutive, only natural means 1, 2, 3. Okay, even means 1, 3, 5. Odd means 2, 4, 6. This way. Okay. What is mentioned? That see carefully. Here you are natural and even numbers. They are even numbers. number should be natural as well as even number, or even as well as natural. Therefore, we should say let the smaller natural even number be x. Therefore, the next natural even number is equal to x plus 2. X plus 2. See here, means if the smaller number is given x, then next number will be x plus 2. Same will be for odd number also. Odd number also. See what happens. Sometimes student write here if it is odd number, no, they are writing here odd number. It is not that. See, if x and see here x plus 2. See, if it is odd number, then this also odd number, because odd number are increasing by 2 to 2 and even number also are increasing by 2. Therefore, if it is even number, if x is even number, then x plus 2 is also even number. If x is odd number, then x plus 2 also odd number. But if x is only natural number, this will be not next natural number. Next natural number will be increasing by 1, x plus 1. See, if it is mentioned that natural number, only natural, only, they are written that sum of squares of two consecutive natural numbers, only natural, not given even number, okay? Only natural number, then it should be x and x plus 1. If there are three numbers, then write x plus 2. Next number will be x plus 3. This way, these are four consecutive natural numbers, only natural. If it is mentioned odd or even, then you should write this way: x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6. These are even also and odd also. See, remember this thing very carefully. Students may mistake in making that here writing x plus 3, x plus 5, x plus 7. This you are writing if given odd number. See, though they give here odd number or even number, consecutive number will be same: x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6. See here, because if x is even number, then x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6 all will be a one number. If x is odd number, then x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6 all will be odd number. But if x is even number, x is only natural number, suppose only natural, then these are not consecutive natural number. It should be x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3. Natural number should be increased by 1, 1, 1. Odd number will be increased by 2, and even number also increasing by 2. This way. Okay. Therefore, now as they have mentioned that sum of squares of two consecutive natural numbers. See, this one understand? Consecutive natural number will be x and x plus 2. Okay, these are numbers. Now, by given condition, see now, what is condition? Sum of squares means first do square separately, then sum. Means here x square plus x plus 2 bracket square. This is sum of square. Suppose you write this way: x plus 2 bracket square. Okay, this will be square of sum. See, if they have change condition, if they change condition and written this way, what? The square of sum and sum of square, see different. Sum of square, it is sum of square and it is square of sum. It is square of sum. See, careful this. Square of sum means first to sum, then to square. And here square of sum means first to sum, then to square. Now, which will be correct? This correct or this correct? See, this will be sum of squares. Square separate, then do sum. And here square of sum means first to addition, then do their square. See carefully here. Therefore, we should select this. This should be slated because why? It is sum of squares. Means do separate square, then do sum. See, this, remember carefully. Sum of square. Sum means addition. Whose addition? Squares addition. Means first do square separately, then do addition. How much that? Sum of squares of two consecutive natural even number is 244 is equal to 244. Now we have to solve this. See now here x square plus x plus 2 bracket square. Many students by hurriedly writing only this much x square plus 4. This much only writing. Only this much writing x square plus 4. It is wrong because why wrong now? See careful here. Why wrong here? A plus b bracket square. What is the expansion of this identity? Answer is a square plus twice ab plus b square. What is the answer of this? A square plus twice ab plus b square. Means a square. A square means what? First term square. It is a square means it is not only a square. It is meaning that whatever may be first term, that square of first term, plus twice ab means not only twice ab. Twice ab means multiplication of both terms and make twice of that. Means ab and twice of that, twice ab. Do multiplication, do product of both numbers and twice make twice of that, and then plus second term square. This way. Now what will be answer of this way then? First term square, it will be x square plus twice of multiplication 2x into again twice ab means 2 into first term second term 2x multiplication will be 2x means ab will be 2x and twice ab means 2 into 2x answer coming 4x plus b square. B square means now here 2 square. Here instead of b, what is here? 2. Therefore, in place of b there is 2. Therefore, b square means 2 square. 2 square will be 4 is equal to 244. Now we should make now that simple equation from this. Now see here x square plus x square becomes 2x square. 4x plus 4 we can do addition of this. Then it will be 4x plus 4 and these 244 it is right hand side, it should come at left hand side because in quadratic equation we want in this way x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We want in this form quadratic equation. Therefore here right hand side there should be only 0. We should not want there 244. Therefore 244 is at right hand side. We should write it minus at left hand side. It should be minus 244 is equal to 0. See here. 244 is plus here, it become here minus. Therefore, all come left hand side, right hand side, nothing remaining. It will be 0. There plus become here minus. Now see here, next step, 2x square plus 4x. See here, different sign. Signs are different. Then we should do subtraction. 244 minus 4. Answer coming 240, sign of greater number. Minus 240 equal to 0. Now see here. Here is 2, here is 4, here is 240. We can divide all terms by 2. See here, 2 stable, 2 stable, 2 stable, or in 2 stable. 240 means last number is 0. If there is last number 0 for any number, whatever may be number, last number is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. That number is multiple of 2. Means we can divide that number by 2. Any number, whatever may be number, if last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, that number is divisible by 2. Therefore, we can divide by all number. And 0 is divisible by all number. Any number we can divide by 0. We can divide 0 by any number. Okay. Now see here, dividing by 2. Dividing by 2. Actually, it is not necessary to write this. Okay. We can write directly also divided by 2. Okay. Now, what answer coming? X square plus 2x minus 240 divided by 2. Answer coming 120 is equal to 0. See, this is the standard form of quadratic equation coming. Okay, this came now standard form of quadratic equation. Okay, so now here which equation coming? X square plus 2x minus 120 is equal to 0. Now we have to solve this. How to solve this now? See here. Last sign is minus. If here is minus sign, we should think such a way that there are two numbers whose subtraction is 2. There are two numbers whose subtraction is 2 and multiplication is 120. We have to find those numbers. We have to find those numbers whose subtraction 2, multiplication 120. Okay, subtraction 2 and multiplication 120 mean difference 2 and multiplication 120. Numbers are 12 and 10. 12 and 10. How much difference? 2. And 12 tens are 120. Sign should be such a way that it should be here plus. Okay. Then 12 should be plus and 10 should be minus. Then now subtraction coming 2, multiplication coming 120. Then we should write this way: x square plus 12x minus 10x minus 120 is equal to 0. Now see here. Make group of this two. Now what is common here? X. In bracket coming x plus 12. How is this coming? Which number or which term we have taken outside? We should divide this both number by this outside number. X square upon x coming x plus 12x upon x coming 12 minus this sign. Whatever may be this sign. Whatever may be this sign, it may be plus or minus. This sign may be plus or minus. We should take down this. Now 10 and 120, okay, both are in tens table. Both numbers are tens table, therefore we should take here 10. Okay, here is x, but here is no x. Therefore we can't take x as common. Okay, only 10. 10 by 10 coming answer 1. 10, 10 gone. Double minus coming plus. 120 upon 10 coming 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, 0 cancel, 12 coming. Now see here, x plus 12, x plus 12. Take double bracket at one time, remaining at one time. See here, x minus 10, 0. See, x plus 12 is equal to 0, x minus 10 equal to 0. Now what answer coming? X plus 12 is equal to 0 or x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now this plus 12 become their minus. 0 minus 12. Therefore, x will be minus 12. X will be 0 plus 10. Therefore, x equal to 10. Two answers coming, minus 12 and 10. But what is condition that x is u1 natural number? It is natural number. See here. But x is natural u1 number. Therefore, we should take x is not equal to minus 12. Therefore, x will be 10. Therefore, smaller natural u1 number equal to 10. Then the next natural u1 number equal to 10 plus 2 means become 12. Okay, therefore those two numbers are 10 and 12. So now those numbers come 10 and 12. Now see condition. What is condition that these numbers are consecutive natural even number? See, consecutive came. 10 and 12 are not consecutive natural numbers. They are not consecutive natural numbers because consecutive natural number will be 10 and 11. But they have given special condition that those numbers are even number. Then 10 and 12 will be even number. Therefore, these two are consecutive natural even numbers. Okay. Then what is the next condition? That sum of squares, it is 244. Sum of square. 10 square will be how much? 100. 12 square will be how much? 144. Now do this sum. It coming to 144. Therefore, their sum of square coming to 144. Therefore, answer is 10 and 12, and it is verified.